it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Hey, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine.
Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles, put your drinks in the sky. Glass is high, feel the vibe, it's a beautiful life. Hey.
Never stay lonely, it could be forever. Be yourself, go live your life.
Let's go, come on, come on.
Don't you feel lonely? We can stay together, we could spend a wonderful time. Oh, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Hey, it's a beautiful world, it's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Watch out, baby.
Hey yo, Sasha, turn the music up, let's get this club jumping. It's the anthem time, let's stand up, put your hands up and pump it. If you came to have a party, get it started tonight. Feeling right, getting hype, cause with Big Ali, you live a beautiful life.
Never stay lonely, it could be forever. Be yourself, go live your life.
Live your life, live your life.
Don't you feel lonely? We can stay together, we could spend a wonderful time.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Standing here beside you, want so much to give you this love in my heart that I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy, I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together, standing strong forever.
DJ Prof.
Minsan madarama mo kaibigan ang problema. Minsan mahihirapan ka at masasabi di ko na kaya. Tumingin ka lang sa langit, baka sakaling may masumpa. O di kaya ako'y bahagin, malaman mong kahit kailan hawak kamay, di kita ibon sa paglakay.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you.
Ready or not, here we go, vacation time. Need to find a way to clear my mind. Ready or not, here we go, one more time. You and I can leave the world behind. Boom blast style, let's turn it up. Indian summer burning up, yeah. Today I'm gonna act a fool. Bring your friends, we buckle up. No destination, astronaut. I can take you to the moon. We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go? It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is our destination. Follow me now. We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go? It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is our destination. We're going on vacation. Ready or not, here we go, vacation time. Taking over every place we go. Ready or not, here we go, one more time. We don't give a F, we're on a roll. Boom blast style, let's turn it up. Indian summer burning up, yeah. Today I'm gonna act a fool. Bring your friends, we buckle up. No destination, astronaut. I can take you to the moon. We're going on vacation, so where you wanna go? It's a celebration, don't need no invitation. Going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Love is our destination. We're going on vacation. Unity, that's all we need. Stay together. To the world. Destination. I want to go. We're going on vacation.
Alam mo, kapag tumatanda na pala tayo, mas priority na natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka. Di mo kailangan makipagtalo sa mga taong walang bilib sa'yo, as long as nag-enjoy ka naman sa ginagawa mo. Maiksi lang ang buhay natin, hindi natin kailangan makipag-argumento. Positive people will always choose happiness. Kaya kung saan ka masaya, tuloy mo lang. Enjoy lang natin ang ating buhay kung saan tayo nagiging masaya.